it's been such a long time that I have vlogged, and I should say that I really missed each and every one of you guys. I am at my hometown, and it's been a hard time, guys. So I'll be explaining to you guys in detail what all happened and everything, but now we are going out, so I thought that I will take you guys along with me. And I think it would be really nice for you guys as well to have a change, because you guys have been seeing me in Goa all the time. So there is no big plans right now. It's just that we are going out, that's it. We have reached hometown I think 3 days back, and we have been hanging out a lot actually. So if you guys are wondering what is on my lips, it is this Lakme 9 to 5 Primer Plus matte lip color in the shade caramel cut, and I should say that it's like absolutely stunning shade, especially for dusky skin tone. It's perfect nude. It's really good shade, you guys. It's really good. So let's go. Good morning, guys. Please ignore my messy hair. I haven't tied my hair yet. Am I looking white? I think a bit, maybe because of that compact powder. I'm not sure right now. I did a little bit of shopping yesterday, so I thought that I will just share with you guys what I shopped yesterday. There was a very good discount sale going on in MK Silks in Thrissur, so it was actually till 90% off, so it was a very good deal. So I got few stuff. This time I got few salwars. That's because I'm at my hometown. So I will be here for maybe like 2 months. So I thought it's better to take salwars. because here people mostly use salwar, so I feel a little bit odd wearing sleeveless tops and those off shoulder tops. Those things I don't prefer a lot while being in Kerala. This is actually not salwar, this is cotton anarkali. I really loved the shade. I don't know, the camera actually picks it up as a blue shade. This is actually a kind of lavender shade which I really liked. And this is the dupatta, and also this is the like pants, and I will have to alter this of stone detailing going on, so that's there. It was for just 500 rupees. The actual MRP was something around 2000, but I got it for 500, and I think for 500 it's not bad. I wouldn't say it's a steal, but it's a good piece. So next one I got is this blue anarkali piece again. This has got a little bit of embroidery, and this is the border. Here is the border, and it's again a nice piece. And for this one, the silver. For this one, the dupatta has got nice detailing going on. There's a very nice border over here, and yeah, this one is the pants. So again, I will have to do altering for this, and also I'll be attaching sleeves for this. So that has to be done. And then I forgot to tell you that one retails for around 600, and I think for 600 that was a good deal. And again, this one is, I actually wanted to have like normal salwars, ready-made salwars, so that I can just alter it and wear it, but they didn't had salwar. Actually, they were having most of these kind of anarkalis. Mostly it was of stonework and party wear anarkalis, which I didn't want. I just wanted to have some casual wears. This one we can wear it as a casual wear as well as a semi party wear as well, so I really like it in that way. This one has got again thread work going on at the yoke part, and at the bottom there is this big motifs, thread work motifs, embroidery motifs are there. And this one is kind of what shade it is, I think it's, I don't know what shade it is, kind of a darker green shade, which and the embroidery thread work is of peach shade. And here is a dupatta, very plain dupatta, and this one is the chudi bottom, and this one actually retailed for 1766, and I got it for around 600. Yeah. And this one is another top I got, and I washed it before wearing because I knew that it won't be of good quality. And I should tell you guys, this was actually a dark green shade, and after washing this turned out to be a light green shade, so that much color it faded, and I got it for 60 rupees. So it's okay, I can wear it at home if I want. So this one is kind of okay, not bad. It's of course of mixed cotton material. It is kind of okay for summers. There is like a little bit of embroidery detailing over here, and also at the sleeves also there is a bit of detailing. So this one is good. And I got three t-shirts which retail for 50 rupees. It's a very light material, very soft material, and it's perfect for summers. And then I got this jacket. It was just for 90 rupees, so that's the reason I got this. This of green shade, and this of 2-layer, and the top layer has got polka dots on it, and there's a button over here. So it's good, not bad. And this is my favorite piece of all. This is a off-white kurta. I absolutely love white and black and off-white shade, completely plain, which doesn't have anything, any print or anything to it. This actually has got self work to it, a small flower motifs, and at the neck part there is a lace detailing going on with button and stone. And this was actually for 600, and I got it for 450, 500, something around 500. And I think for 500 this kurti is like very good because the quality is really nice material it is. So this is what I shopped. It was like very good sale. I have bought this wow aloe vera multi-purpose beauty gel for skin and hair, and this is of 99% pure aloe vera gel, and I'll just show you guys. And it says it suits all skin type. So it's like very good, guys. I have been using a lot of aloe vera gel, and this is my favorite out of all these. I feel that it's like very pure. I really like it, even though it's a little bit expensive. It's of 299, and I got it for 250 from Amazon. So definitely give it a try. And now I will talk to you guys. Before that, please ignore my bare face. I think by now you guys must be perfectly okay with it, because most of the time I'm like this before you. Actually, I should say 1 month back I had severe shoulder pain. Actually, over here it was paining like hell, really hard, and I consulted a doctor and he said that that's okay. It happens to people who works a lot on laptop or computer, who do not follow a right posture while doing their laptop work. And after that, my baby Ima, she was having a slight temperature, and I didn't give her medicine because the temperature was like very low, and if it is like cold and slight fever, I do not give her medicine. It naturally just goes away. So that's how I do, but I do not insist everyone to do this. It's everyone's parenting is different, but definitely I do monitor her temperature every now and then, and I make sure that it doesn't rises up. So very next day she vomited. She was having, her stomach was upset, she was having loose motion. So I took her to doctor, and doctor said that it is due to her stomach infection, and maybe because that's because something is there in her stomach which is not digested properly. And she had her medicines, she was sleeping, she was very cranky, very clinky, she was just sticking to me, she was not ready to go to anyone. I really don't know how her temperature rised. It was really high, and we rushed to hospital, and we could see that it was 104. Her temperature was really high. So doctor said that it would be good if we could admit her for 1 day, and we were like pretty much okay with it. Many new parents can relate to this, especially if you are staying all alone. If you do not have any elders with you, you can definitely relate with me. Things are very hard. It is very difficult for us to accept that these things, this fever, these things are very normal for babies. Even though we know that it's normal, we get very tense because we don't have anyone, any elder out there to tell us that it's okay, it's fine. So it's just us. So things are much more difficult. I was like crying all the time. Within 2 days she was perfectly alright. After that she didn't had any temperature. It was just because she had some stomach infection, and because of that she had vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. I can clearly say that for exactly 1 week I didn't sleep at all. She was on me all the time. We decided we will come hometown and I will stay here with my mom so that I have a rest. So I consulted a doctor for this shoulder pain, and he took an x-ray, and what we found is that there is a small problem with my neck bone. That's because I have been straining a lot. Maybe because I have been stitching for almost 10 years. I have started stitching my own dress for I think when I was 18. Now I'm 28, so it's 10 years, and last 5 years I have been using laptop quite extensively. So that is there, and stitching is there. So, and also about that, you guys know I do a lot of household work. So maybe because of that, especially because of the stitching and using laptop not in the right posture also, that have affected my neck bone. What he suggested me is to have like 2 weeks of physiotherapy. 1 or 2 weeks will be more than enough. Initially I was very sad and depressed after hearing that. I'm not a person who sit idle. I can't, guys. I really can't. I have to do something. Especially stitching or YouTube is a big passion for me. Sorry guys, my mom called me. We are going out. So before that, I just want to conclude. In short, here for almost 1.5 months. So I have 2 weeks of physiotherapy over here, and with that it will be perfectly okay. And all I'm doing right now is going for physiotherapy, having good food, going out. There is a Puram over here. I don't know if you guys understand what is Puram. It's just a temple festival wherein there will be a lot of elephants. So so I will just show you all around. And please, those who are animal lovers, please don't get offended. It's not like I'm supporting all these, that's the reason I'm showing you. I'm just going there, and I feel bad for those amazing creatures, elephants, but that's completely a different topic. We'll talk about it some other day. So right now we are going out, and it's gonna be pretty long, so let me stop over here. I really missed you guys a lot. Thanks a lot for sticking around with me. If even while I was not uploading any videos, you guys were there for supporting me. You guys were still, I mean, through community tab, or always you guys used to inquire about me, Ima, everyone. That's so kind of you guys. Thanks a lot. I feel so good. I feel so blessed that you guys are there in my life. So I'm giving you all a virtual hug. Lot of kisses. Bye bye. Love you all.